This is Animaker 8792. So Patrick Tai is a makeup artist. He's known for glowy natural beauty. He worked on Gigi Hadid. I also want to note, when this launched, I feel like YouTuber nowadays or influencer nowadays don't review the items as it's like every launch of makeup, I want to see swatches, I want to see reviews. But no, people wait until after the launch. The only time I saw any video was day before the launch was Patrick Star. I'm great for his advice, but he's friend with the brand. But still, I want to see more influencer. And then Jay Kista was on the day of Patrick Star launch. So it's like, there's not a lot of YouTuber will release anything on a day before or 2 weeks before. It's like, I want to see the goods. I want to see what's what and what I can buy. So I bought 2 orders. The first order was on Patrick Tai website on the launch day. It took a while to get it to me just because launch date is crazy, so it was backed up. And one night I just checked on Sephora to check out what's new on Sephora, and thank God I checked. My makeup junkie mindset. I saw Patrick Tai in the new brand on Sephora website, so I bought my sold out item on Sephora. Sephora surprisingly shipped out faster than the launch itself. I should have known that Patrick Tai item or brand would be available on Sephora because he guests on the Sephora YouTube channel a lot. But I wasn't thinking, who would think that we are so dependent on social media and makeup accounts that have every information that we don't think about checking website ourselves until later. The reason why this video is late is not released on the day it should be released. So the first item that was sold out was Patrick Tai body oil. I have been interested in sparkly goodness, but sparkly goodness come in pom-pom never worked out for me, or spray or whatnot. And I was really excited for Fenty when they first launched, but when I heard the stickiness, I passed. So when I heard, oh, Patrick Tai released this, it's great. Only problem I have noticed, since this is a body oil and it's, I believe it's $55. It's a 3.4 fluid ounces, and I saw a girl on Instagram. It's only 3 days after the launch that she used it up to here, and I guess it's like I used it only 2 times, and you can see like the empty here. So I'm guessing even though it looks a lot, you can use this really fast. I like that when you spray, you can see the glitter and the glow, rub it in. It doesn't feel sticky, but it feels kind of tacky, but it's smooth tacky. But yeah, it went up down to here, and with the cost, the price with it, I feel like this is a special occasion thing. This is not an everyday thing. I don't know yet if I will buy it again because it's really pricey.
3 hours later.
Smell does linger. And the sparkly, you cannot see on camera, but it's on the skin. Here's the Patrick Tai We Love Her Pink Pearl Highlight Spray. I'm an amateur. I'm a makeup junkie, makeup lover, makeup swatches, makeup basic. I don't know how to use this. I tried 2 times. It doesn't work for me. So here's the spray. I even tried the Kay Kista method when I watched her YouTube video when she sprayed this with a brush. It didn't really work out that well. Okay, spray bottle. I don't think I aimed right because I got this whole section. So here's what the spray looked like. To this. Here. To this. Brushy. And spray closely. The only reason the Jay Kista brush method won't work is because that's a waste of product coming out. And I don't really see the difference when I use a brush to the air can. So I feel like makeup artist, influencer, beauty influence, beauty guru, YouTuber social media know how to use it because they make it work. They can make an imperfect item work. For amateur like us, basic, everyday, it's hard. I feel like it's impractical because I can't aim for shit, so I don't know. It's like I aim for the fan and I can't aim for the right whatever, so I feel like it's sprayed all over my face. But like I say, it feels cooling. But other than that, I don't know. Okay, let me close my mouth and spray on my neck. Let's spray on my shoulder. I don't really see it. Let's spray that shoulder. Would I repurchase? No. Just because it's really hard to aim. Lip glosses. I bought all three. I was gonna buy one, but it's really hard, especially brand website, because they do all this product photography, so it looks nice and sleek, and you can't tell swatches, especially with the video they have. It smells good, luxurious packaging, rose gold, it's simple, it's cute, yes. With me and lip glosses, I don't like to apply on top of lipstick or liquid lipstick that doesn't dry down. So I always have these on hand and plug in and put it on top so I won't ruin it. Because over time, when you put this over lipstick, liquid lipstick, you go back in, it will mess up with the smell and the formula and the color. Ugh. The bottom lip is cheap, expensive, and on the top, nothing on my lip. She is definitely sleek, smooth, and the mint is really just smelly mint, but it's not really burning the lip kind of mint. It's just like it smells good, apply on, you don't really feel the tingle, and it's like, ooh, my favorite kind of lipstick, lip gloss. I don't know if I would ever rebought it. We wait and see. So I forgot to mention, she's expensive, have gold and blue reflexes, and she's an influencer, have pinky and blue reflexes. I don't think you will see it, but yeah. This make you so juicy. Disturb the lip color, not really, and it adds the shine to it. It's not sticky. Is this peachy pinky color? Is she younger than me? Have pink reflexes. Again. On the bottom.